Alright, so I got Nibbles out here in the grass, people. And Nibbles ain't been doing anything in the grass, but, you know, standing up every now and again, laying down a little bit. Beautiful snake. Look at those eyes. Right, getting better with the camera too, because Nibbles used to be defensive, see? And I could touch all around Nibbles or put my hand over and, you know, she's, oh, pooped in my hand. Oh, man, she's gonna finish in the grass there. Alright. Good girl. Good girl. I still don't have a problem with you. But that's what they do, right? They get out here and get out in the grass and they get relaxed. That warm sunlight and, you know, just being out. They relax their bodies. And, you know, it'll be the best time to poop. So, holla at your boy, people. But, let's get over here. See what Burm's doing. Right? Because I just let Burm sit over here by himself. And, he apparently seems to not be doing anything at all. Right? They get relaxed out here. And they ain't got anywhere to go. So, holla at your boy, people. I normally stay out here for, you know, probably about 30 minutes. You know, I don't like to keep them out very long because then they start getting adventurous. And then the other crazy part about it is there's birds out here. And you got to keep your snakes close because they got some big birds. There's some hawks. So I was out here one day and I had chickens. And, you know, I watched the hawk swoop down and take one of the chickens. So holla at your boy, people. I do got a video out, you know, where, you know, a hawk took a chicken from me. So how about y'all go check that out when y'all got time. But today we handling the Burmese pythons, and Nibbles seem to be on the move, getting active. You know, it's only could sit in one space for very long. Check this out. Look at that. Look at the stomach on him. When they eat something, right, they swell up in just one spot. And you could see that this snake ate something. So when you're out there in the wild, people, you could see a snake with a big belly. You already know he swallowed somebody. I mean, these snakes are amazing how they can, you know, swallow things that's really, really, really big. Look at that. That's a rat. I had a live feeding the other day, and that's on a separate video. Today we're just walking the snakes. Or letting them slither outside. Look at his tongue. His tongue is pink, but it's got a black tip on it. Black tint, kind of. Right, this is a whole rat. And then it slims down when it gets over here to the end. It's an amazing snake, right? You remember when I first got him, it ain't even been that long at all. Right? You sit out here long enough and they start coming to you, crawling on you. So most of the time I'm just out here in the grass with the snake, and I have to get, you know, level with the snake. And, you know, they come to you like you're best buds. Get up on you, roll up on you. I guess this Nibble's telling me again that she's ready to go inside. So the birds are starting to get active. You can hear those birds making calls. And I believe that's the birds letting the other birds know that something's going down. So before the hawks come out, then birds call the other birds, and they try to mess with the snakes. We're gonna hop inside. So holla at your boy, people. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But if you like what you're seeing, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button, people. It's your boy KP from KP Reptiles, handling the Burmese pythons. Peace out, people.